Still voting for boring old human presidents? You don't want to vote for someone old and out of touch. Bentley can relate to the common working American. Do you think Donald Trump or Kamala Harris could do a handstand?
So, why vote for Bentley?
Well, I'll tell you this. He's easily the cutest nominee for president. Vote for a pug, vote for Bentley.
Bentley cannot legally approve of this message, as he cannot talk, and he is a pug.
Do you think your dogs would vote for Bentley? Let us know in the comments down below. Make sure to like the video, click to the left to subscribe, and click to the right to watch another pug video. Thanks.